Are there any plants out there that will help to prevent snakes from getting into your yard or garden? And the answer is no. Not that I know of. Most plants, they've been here forever, and so have snakes been. I will tell you, often people come to me and they'll have a snake that they've just cut up into 100 pieces and they put into, let's say, a mason jar. They'll ask me, is it a good snake or a bad snake? And usually my answer is, it's a dead snake. In other words, most of our snakes out there are good guys. They're helping to take out rats and other critters in your yard and garden. So in general, I'm going to say, let's let everything live. You know, if you had a large rattlesnake or coral snake, that might be a different story. But in general, most snakes aren't going to come after you. They're not going to be aggressive. Watch where you walk, wear boots, wear shoes, wear long sleeve shirts and trousers when you're in an area that's wooded. But in your own yard and backyard, I wouldn't be too worried. There are really no plants that will help to prevent snakes in the yard or garden. There are some products that may help inside or around your home, and those will only last for a certain short period of time. For AskMrGreenThumb.com, I'm Stan DeFreitas.